Most kitchens have spaces that are frustrating. I couldn't see or reach the back of my corner cabinet. Do you have deep lower cabinets that require you to drop to your hands and knees to get to the back? Or a pantry that's completely disorganized and impossible to navigate? Most shelving is spaced to fit tall cereal boxes. What a waste! So I had Shelf Genie over for a free design consultation. They helped me rethink how my cabinets, drawers, and shelves were utilized. Then they shared a 3D rendering of how Shelf Genie was going to customize my space. Their glide-out solutions allow you to reach the back of every cabinet and shelf without bending over. And those pantry shelves are set to heights that maximize storage. Shelf Genie found 50% more usable storage space in my kitchen. You don't need new cabinets. You need a free design consultation with Shelf Genie.
Call 203-644-2052 today or visit www.shelfgenie.com/Connecticut for half off your installation.